Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Motlach and this is my friend Yasmin. She's going to be my audience for today. And today we are discussing the importance of breathing. Just added that. So the average human can survive 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water, but would not be able to survive breathing without 3 minutes. Our cells need air to survive. Breathing has other calming and other health benefits. And the action of breathing is both voluntary and involuntary. It's a constant 24-hour process. Being aware and in control of your breath is a very impactful way to cleanse and increase physical health, environmental health, and mental health. Using your breath is the best way to get in tune with your body and stabilize yourself. Today I'm going to inform you about breathing. According to Dr. Noah Lecton, Associate Professor at Medicine Doctor at Johns Hopkins, a human breathes about 20 times per minute using 30 pints of air. Animal breathing brings about air through the mouth, nose, or gills on animals to the cells of the organism. The air then passes down to the larynx and the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and the capillaries to enter the bloodstream. Red blood cells give the oxygen to the body. Blood rich in CO2 dioxide releases the CO2 from the veins back to the alveoli, which is released out of the body. I included some really cute pictures of plants and animals, so please enjoy. So yes, environmentally, animals, plants, they all benefit from oxygen, and so do we. There's many health benefits. By breathing, we are creating a relationship with the trees and the environment around us. And it helps with anxiety. There's a lot of stress in this world, whether it be from work, school, social life, health. There can be many reasons. Stress is a very difficult thing to get through. However, using breathing exercises can help you get back into the moment and realize what the situation is at hand and how to fix it. And it helps you find yourself. Breathing is a beautiful process, and I'm going to teach you guys how to breathe properly. So first, you want to start by exhaling everything completely and kind of making a loud noise as you go through it. I also want to bring up with the environment how grass, trees, and flowers and shrubs all take the carbon dioxide from humans and animals and absorb it into their system. This is found from thesciencing.com. And they bring it into their systems through their stromata or pores into their leaves and stems and then use it for energy. The waste byproduct of a plant's breathing is oxygen, which is used again by animals. For your mental health, the only thing you can do during an anxious episode is to breathe by actively focusing on your breath and the movements of your diaphragm. That was posted by breathology.com. In a paper published by In Science, researchers led by Mark Krasnov, a professor of biochemistry at Stanford University, found that in mice, a group of nerves in the brain that regulates breathing has a direct connection to the arousal center of the brain. Therefore, breathing can have a direct effect on the overall activity level of the brain. So now we are going to, in conclusion, learn how to breathe. I'm sorry, I had to go back. So you start by exhaling completely and just releasing everything. As you can hear, there are dogs around me, so I have to learn how to drown them out and really be in the moment. And when I do, I breathe in for about 4 seconds. A very good, deep breath in. 4. I hold my breath for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I exhale for about 8 seconds. 8. Breathing has a lot of great benefits, and I hope through this speech you guys learned it. There's a lot of amazing benefits of air and just learning about yourself in that moment and just leaving everything behind and being in tune with the earth. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.